What if one tool could create every type of music video you see online? Anime videos, singing characters, dancing memes, even lyric videos, all in one place. Today we're taking a look at MakeSong. It's built to do exactly that. So this is MakeSong, and instead of using multiple tools for music, animation, and editing, this gives you everything in one platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in 4 completely different styles. We'll be taking a look at AI music videos, AI singing videos, AI lyric videos, you can see here, and my favorite, AI dance videos for virality. Now to do this, we're going to need to create our own music. So to do that on the platform, we can see it's got AI song generator. We can then type in the lyrics and the style here too. Now, if you do have writer's block on the lyrics, what you can do is just click lyrics generate. What you can do is click lyrics generate. But first, you need to put in your idea. So I actually have some lyrics I've written in the past here, but if we want to make this longer, we then press lyrics generate and it's going to take this and expand on it. So I've got some lyrics here that I've just written. It's going to take this and expand on it. All we got to do is press lyrics generate. And then in no time at all, we have our first verse, chorus, second verse, chorus, bridge, and then the final chorus for the song. Next, we go down here and we can go ahead and pick the style. So let's go with an indie rock style here. And if we go with more controls, we can exclude styles as well. Scrolling down, we can click our gender preference. So let's go with male. We can change the weirdness of the song and also the style influence too. Let's just leave these at 50%. And then, of course, the title here, Neon Rain on the Boulevard, does sound pretty cool. So let's go ahead and generate the song. And then within a couple minutes, we can see that we do actually have 2 songs generated here based off of our idea. So let's go ahead and listen to both of them.
Neon rain on the boulevard, crowd screaming like they know my heart. Flashbulb faces, paper stars, I still taste dust in the dark.
Okay, and then let's listen to the chorus.
Empty jars to private jets and caviar. I still feel the concrete under my feet. Every cheer just pulls that scar back to nights I prayed to start. I was broke.
I think that's pretty good. Let's check out the other song.
Neon rain on the boulevard, crowd screaming like they know my heart. Flashbulb faces, paper stars.
I like that one a lot more. Let's check out the chorus.
From basement dreams and empty jars to private jets and caviar.
Yeah, I really like the second one more, so let's go ahead and download that as an MP3. And then we can go to a music video and really get this thing going. So what we're going to do is upload audio, upload our track that we just created, and we can trim the audio if we want. And we also had the option when we generated the song to extend it further. But I'm pretty happy with it so far. So we can also upload images. Now, this is going to be great for showing the AI what type of video we're after. So if there's a specific art style, whether it's anime, kids content, or maybe something for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, these styles are already proven to perform well. So we could basically just pick one of these on the right-hand side. Let's go ahead with example 3, because it is a little bit more neon, which is similar to our song. We can then type in a video prompt here. So we've put a robot girl's journey through a high-class futuristic city. Music language here being English, but if we did do non-English, it would be able to pick that up. And then we can enter the lyrics here. So next it's asking for the lyrics here. So we're going to go ahead and paste that in, but we can see this actually says don't put things like verse and intro into the lyrics section and do not add timestamps. So let's go ahead and change this right now, just with some quick editing to get rid of these and just have the text of the lyrics. And once that's done, we can then go ahead and choose what ratio we want, whether that's 16:9 or something that's more like short form for TikTok or YouTube Shorts at 9:16. Let's go with 16:9. We can then select the quality. We can choose 720p or 1080p, and we can choose public visibility or not as well here. So we've also got an option to upload images here. So let's go ahead and upload an image we cooked up earlier. And then once everything is done, we can press generate video. Now, the second type of video here is AI lip sync videos. So this is where it gets a little bit more advanced, but essentially this lets you create a character that actually sings your song like we can see here. This lets you create your character. This includes perfect mouth movement, matched timing, and realistic delivery. But here's the standout feature. You can create videos up to 10 minutes long, and that's something that most AI tools don't offer. This means you can create full, real music videos with story-driven content and longer YouTube uploads, not just short clips like you see with other platforms. So let's go ahead and put our audio in, upload our image, type in a prompt here that can be optional, and a resolution here too. We can choose between 480p or 720p.
Crowd screaming like they know my heart. Neon rain on the boulevard. Crowd.
Now, once we're happy, we can press create. Now, the third type is AI dance videos. Now, this one is just fun. This is a new feature, and it can take animals, objects, or even random things like fruit and turn them into dancing characters. So imagine a dancing cat, a dog vibing to the music, or even a strawberry dancing. This is perfect for viral content, meme pages, and TikTok-style clips. And it's launching very soon. So as before, let's upload a photo. We can upload a dance motion for the character to copy, or we can choose a sample dance here underneath. So let's take a look at this, or potentially this one, or there's even many more to choose from here. I quite like the first one here because it will match our image. And then once we're happy, we simply press generate dance video. So we've got our AI singing video back. So let's take a listen and a look at this.
Neon rain on the boulevard. Crowd screaming like they know my heart. Flashbulb faces, paper stars. I still taste dust in the dark. Basement dreams in borrowed cars. Counting coins from shattered jars.
That is really cool, and just imagine that with a full-length song. Now, the fourth type is the lyric video generator. So you can take simple images, looping backgrounds, and turn them into professional lyric videos. This is ideal for music releases, YouTube uploads, or even Spotify promotion. And again, no editing required. So for this, we're going to select our song, get a background image, and then we can choose the YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram aspect ratios. As well as that, we can choose the type of captions in the video. So we could go with this one here, and then the position of the lyrics. So let's go in the middle. We've also got font size. Let's go with large. And there's also a color template that we can choose from too. From there, we press generate lyric video. And checking up on the AI music video, let's go ahead and see.
Crowd screaming like they know my heart. Flashbulb faces, paper stars. I still taste dust in the dark. Basement dreams in borrowed cars. Counting coins from shattered jars. From basement dreams and empty jars to private jets and caviar. I still feel the concrete under my feet. Every cheer just pulls that scar back to nights I pray to start. I was broke, but I was free. From basement dreams and empty jars to private jets and caviar.
Personally, I think that is incredible, and that's only our first attempt as well. So just think about how good we can make a music video using this platform.
Crowd screaming like they know my heart. Flashbulb faces, paper stars.
And here we have our AI dance video.
Vai quicando, vai jogando. Não perde a razão no batidão, no batidão. Só pura tentação.
So that is really cool for any kind of general viral content. This stuff does really well on social media. And here we have our lyric video.
Neon rain on the boulevard. Crowd screaming like they know my heart. Flashbulb faces, paper stars. I still taste dust in the dark.
Now, with any of these, we can hit the download button and then we can just go ahead and use that content very easily. And on top of that, MakeSong does have a bunch of other features we could use as well. So we've got stem splitter, we have a vocal remover, and a music prompt here too. So in terms of bang for buck and incredible quality, MakeSong is the platform that is on the absolute top for music generation. You could create 100% royalty-free music in just seconds. That could be gaming tracks, study music, party vibes, and it's safe to use anywhere with no copyright issues. So while other creators are juggling music tools, editing software, and animation platforms, here you've got it all in one place. One platform, all types of music videos. And that is the real advantage here. If you want to create music videos faster, whether it's anime, lip sync, dance, or lyric content, try MakeSong for yourself, because honestly, you don't need a full production team for something like this anymore. That's going to be it from me. Link will be in the description. I will see you in the next video.